This is number 12 of the 2012 AP Calculus exam. Using the substitution u equals the square root of x, the integral from 1 to 4 of e to the square root of x divided by the square root of x dx is equal to which of the following? Let's begin by writing u as being equal to the square root of x. We can rewrite that as x to the 1/2 power. So the derivative of u with respect to x would equal, and we'd use the power rule here, 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. And we can rewrite that as 1 over 2x to the positive 1/2, taking that x to the bottom, to the denominator, and changing its sign, its exponent sign to its opposite. And we can then change it back to a square root, so 2 square root of x. So the derivative of u with respect to x is 1 over 2 square root of x. We can write du is equal to 1 over 2 square root of x dx. We can then multiply both sides by 2 times the square root of x and get 2 square root of x du is equal to 1 dx or dx. Well, we know that u is equal to the square root of x. So 2 times u would equal 2 times the square root of x. And so we can substitute here and get 2u du is equal to dx. Now let's begin with our original problem. We were asked to find the integral from 1 to 4 of e to the square root of x divided by the square root of x dx. The first thing I need to do is change my limits of integration. If u was equal to the square root of x, then if I substitute in 4, I'm going to get 2. My new limit of integration will be 2 at the top. And if I substitute in 1, I'll get 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And that'll be my limit of integration at the bottom. I will then be able to write e to the u divided by u. And the substitution for the dx is 2u du. And we notice that the u's will cancel. The 2 can come out front. So I'll get 2 times the integral from 1 to 2 of e to the u du. And the integral of e to the u is just e to the u. We evaluate from 1 to 2, and we then multiply all of that times this 2 that's out front. So we'll get e to the 2 minus e, or e to the second minus e to the first times 2. So that'll be 2e squared minus 2e. That's our answer. And it looks to me like they stopped before solving, so let's see where that's at. I think we are right here. So they didn't even solve all of it. We went a little further than necessary. So 2 times the integral from 1 to 2. So it's not 1 to 16, it's not 1 to 4, it's not 1 to 4. And it's 2 times the integral from 1 to 2 of eu du. And there's our answer. So that's letter C. Letter C.